Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get more RAM allocated to Minecraft, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this, and I'm going to prove to you that it does actually allocate more RAM to Minecraft. So what you do is open your Minecraft launcher, go to launch options, make sure you have advanced settings on. So you click your version. It's not any different, I just use a Forge version. Click JVM arguments. Make sure that's on. And the 1 here. This 1, you want to change this 1 to whatever amount of RAM you want to put. I have 8 gigabytes of RAM on my computer, so I'm actually going to put around 3, not half. I'd say if you had 4 gigs, I'd put around 1. I'd probably leave it at 1 if you had 4 gigabyte computer, because or you can put it at 2. I don't really know how much just the regular OS takes up, but yeah, so that you push save. And the thing I like about Forge is when you actually start the game, it'll close the launcher and then it comes up with the Mojang screen again, but it's installing mods, which I have Optifine. It's the only mods I have. And the thing I like about this is it says memory used, and it says how much it's using and how much it can use. So I put 3 gigs, which is 3,000 megabytes of RAM, and as you saw that it said there, it had 3,000 megabytes of RAM. That proves that putting the 3 in that JVM argument does actually give your Minecraft more RAM, which can make it lag less and run better. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please just go ahead and leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching.